Hello everyone, I am Susri. I am here to speak about the reinforcement in subject science for class 6, 7 and 8. Let's start. The general mistakes students do while answering the questions are not reading the instructions properly before answering, spelling mistakes, not planning the answer stepwise, not elaborating the answer point-wise specifically, forget to use the key scientific words, not underlining the important words in a paragraph, improper labeling of diagram, not answering the questions as asked in different parts. So I will discuss here all the points step by step. Please go through the slides to know it in detail. So the first one is not reading the instructions properly before answering. Students should read the instructions given in the questions properly before trying to answer the question. The second point is spelling mistakes. Normally, while answering the fill in the blank questions or the one word question, there should not be any spelling mistakes. Some examples of spelling mistakes are dispersion of light, dispersal of seeds, evaporation, evaluation, probably, properly, when, like this. The third one is not planning the answer stepwise. Planning of answers should be always in step. Example, what is pollution? Suggest some ways to stop pollution. The answer should be planned in these 4 steps. Definition of pollution, different types of pollution, list of pollutants, and at least 3 ways to stop pollution. So next point is not elaborating the answer specifically. The important points should be elaborated with example from day-to-day life. The answer should be in your own word, but it should be framed grammatically correct and meaningful sentence. Underline the specific word, the specific scientific word, and draw table while answering the compare and contrast or differentiate between type questions. Next point is forget to use the key scientific words. For example, define evaporation. I am giving 2 examples of this answer. Changing of water into vapor is called evaporation, and one more is the process of conversion of a liquid into its vapor state is called evaporation. The second one is more impressive. So in this second answer, you should always try to highlight 3 scientific keywords like process, conversion and state. The next point is not underlining the important words in a paragraph. The important words should be underlined in a paragraph and the question should be written in 3 or 4 parts using all scientific words. Next point is improper labeling of diagram. Science is all about diagram and labeling. So the diagram should be scientific, not a piece of art. Diagram should be done in the left side of the paper, preferably. The diagram labeling should be done in the right side of the paper. There should not be any spelling mistakes and description of each point should be done in sequence. The next point is the example for how to label a diagram. Here you can see the human heart, and here all the labeling are done mostly in the right side. Only the specific 2 valve labeling is done in the left side. So you should follow this type of labeling. The next point is not answering the long questions as asked in different parts. Normally long questions are asked in 2 or 3 different parts. So one should answer it in the 3 different parts to keep the answer in sequence and to get the attention of the evaluator properly. Random answer should be avoided and the answer should be given in paragraph. So, in the end, may success be with you always, my students. All the best for your exam. Thank you.